Mr. Gadkari, as a minister, is very concerned that we move to alternate fuels. So I think the other thing that we are looking at definitely is to look at biofuel compliant machines. We are looking at electric machines. We are looking at hybrids. So the energy consumption for a country like ours, where crude is imported, we are trying to see how we can become more fuel efficient. The machines are much more, I would say, connected machines, a lot of telematics built into the machine. So you will see that there are a lot of computers sitting on the machine, which helps not only our customers to understand what is happening on the machine, the visibility, but also helps us as OEMs to engage in proactive support to the machines. It's not about reacting to failures, but taking action well in time to ensure that the machines are properly maintained, the upkeep of the machines, which helps also in ensuring a much higher uptime. Plus, we are also getting into skilling in a big way. We have formed something called an Infrastructure Equipment Skill Council, which was again an initiative of ours, and we are training almost about 30 to 40,000 operators per year. What we are trying to do is also asking the government to mandate skilled manpower to operate machines rather than trained manpower. So the direction is to keep moving ahead, bring in the latest technology machines, hybrids and others to ensure that the carbon neutrality targets of India, continuity of policy with the government expected to again come back to power, I think there will be no time lost of about 4 to 6 months, which happens naturally when a new government comes into place. And the next 2 to 3 years should be very bright. And then this is India's decade, as everybody says. So I think it is our decade, and we are all geared up as an industry to serve the infra companies who are engaged in nation building.
So now, my next question to you will be: what will be your focus area in terms of product offerings in coming days?
Yeah, okay. So that's a good question. I think there are two things happening here. One, the initiative that we ourselves are taking to sort of continue to stay ahead of the curve, and number two, we're also being pushed by the government to try and see that emissions and other matters become very important for us.